Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the headlights from any Audi A3 8VS from the year 2011 and up. So today I'm working on this car, and this car is made in the year 2014, and because I want to polish the headlights I'll have to remove them completely out of the car. And to do so, what I recommend all to do is to remove the front bumper, because if you don't remove the front bumper you won't be able to remove the headlights completely out of the car. I will leave a link down below with another video of mine where I will show you all how to remove the front bumper on this car. After that, to remove the headlights, you'll have to remove 4 screws which are securing the headlight mounted to the car. You'll have 3 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And after that, in the last, you'll have to remove the connectors from behind it, and only after that you'll be able to remove it completely out of the car. From here, just follow what I'm doing. It's a very simple job, it's a very fast job, and the only difficult part is to remove the entire bumper from the car. To remove all the bolts which are securing the headlight mounted to the car, you'll have to use a Torx 30. So after you remove all the bolts which are securing the headlight mounted to the car, I recommend all to pull just a little bit from the fender, from the bottom side of the headlight. Right here, you'll have to pull it a little bit to the exterior, and after that it will release the plastic clip which is securing the headlight mounted to the car. And only after that you can go ahead and pull it just a little bit, and then you will have to disconnect the power supply, the cable from behind the headlight, and that's it. So as you can see, I disconnected the power supply from behind the headlight, and from here the headlight is coming out completely. This is how it's looking. This is where the power supply is going to fit behind the headlight. And those are all the steps which you have to follow if you want to remove the headlights completely out of the car on any Audi A3 8VS. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.